Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's see how to stream a game using OBS Studio on PC. Okay, let's start. First, open OBS Studio. Click on Profile and then click New. Now enter your profile name and click OK. For now, click Cancel. Click File, then go to Settings. Now click on Stream. Select Use Stream Key. Change the service from Twitch to YouTube RTMPS. Select Use Stream Key. Now we need to find the stream key. Open YouTube Studio. Click Create, then click Go Live. You will see your live stream page. Click Edit to edit your stream details. Add your stream title and description. Set the category to Gaming and select your game title. Go to Customization and change the settings as you like. Click OK. Here you can also see the dual stream option. Using this method, you can stream vertical and horizontal videos at the same time. Click Learn how to use encoders to see setup help. They mention downloading streaming software, but we already have OBS Studio set up. Now copy the stream key, go back to OBS, paste the stream key, then click Apply and click OK. In my previous video, I showed how to connect using the Connect Account method. I personally recommend the Connect Account method because it is easier to use. In your first scene, click Add to add an image or webcam. Next, create a second scene. Click Add, enter your second scene name, and click OK. Now click Add Source, choose Game Capture, select Capture Specific Window, choose your game window, and click OK. You can switch scenes using hotkeys. I've already set them up. When I press F12, the scene changes. If you want to add a microphone, click Add Source, then select Audio Input Capture. To add a webcam, click Video Capture Device and select your webcam. Now you can see that your webcam and microphone are working successfully. Set your first scene as the main scene. Now click Start Streaming. Go to YouTube Studio and you'll see that live streaming has started. Go back to OBS and press F12 to switch to the game scene. Now start playing your game. After you finish playing, go back to OBS Studio and click Stop Streaming. Now go to YouTube Studio. Click Dismiss. Then go to the Content section. Click on Live and you will see your streamed video there. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.